In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a reminder email to your subscribers. The reminder email should be sent as the third or fourth email to your subscribers. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, the subject line for this reminder email is "just making sure you got this," or you can start with "before you forget about this." The content of your email can be something that happened in your daily life. As you can see here, I've written a story about me going through a list building course with the marketing manager and intern, and then link it to my product. Most importantly, include the link to your product. If you did not include the link in this email, then you have to go all the way back to the first email to go to your page. This will be a big turnoff for them. It makes it easier for them to go to your sales page and eventually get the click on the buy button. If you have noticed, I've included another link here to the bonuses as well. You will need to include this only when you have stated to offer them bonuses. If you did not plan to give out bonuses, just skip this part to the ending phrase and signature. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.